Hi guys, you're welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. My name is Toyo and I'm a digital nomad in Malta, and on this channel I make videos about the digital nomad process in Malta. Malta is rejecting digital nomad applications and we don't know why. But let me just start by saying this, guys, please, if you don't have all the requirements, don't bother applying. And the reason why I'm saying this is because there's a €300 application fee and it's non-refundable. So if your application is denied, that money is not coming back to you. Now imagine applying for yourself, your spouse and your children. That money is gone. I have actually received a couple of emails from people, actually families, that applied and they got rejection after 3 months. Trust me, they will do their due diligence. You see that 3 months, that's 60 working days that they say they need before the approval in principle. They will do their due diligence. So if for some reason they're not comfortable with the information that you provided, your application is going to be denied, and this can be really heartbreaking. So what are a few reasons why your application might be rejected? From the emails that were sent to a few people who actually ventured to ask them, hey, can you give me a reason why my visa was rejected? The agency said to them, due to the sensitive nature of the process of decision making, the reason for refusal cannot be shared with the applicant. But they went ahead to mention a few things though. They said, however, the reasons for rejection may include but are not limited to criminal records, eligibility criteria, adverse media, and refusals of previous applications for the Schengen visa. So if unfortunately you have a past criminal record, or maybe any of the dependents that you're applying for, or negative information or negative news about you, or you don't actually meet the criteria that they asked for. I know of someone that he's a remote worker, he's earning the correct amount of money, but he hasn't been earning it for up to the amount of months that they asked for, and he went ahead to apply. Trust me, they are going to reject your application. I know that these things might not apply to some people, but they didn't mention all the reasons why your visa might be rejected. But in most cases you would actually know the reason. In most cases, I know there are specific cases, or there are some cases whereby you really can't place a finger on why your visa was rejected. Anyway guys, please just make sure that while you're applying for your visa, you submit the correct documents. And in a lot of cases, even if maybe some information is missing, some documents is missing, they would usually send you a message and ask you to send this thing. For example, when we were applying for ours, several times we had to clarify something, we had to change something. They had to ask us for specific details, very specific details, especially when it came to the bank statement, right? We really had to explain. My husband specifically had to explain everything, everywhere the money was coming in and where it was going to, right? And he was asked to mark it in colors, because just then the whole bank statement, they need to know, where your money is coming in from your employer. So they would ask for some kind of details if they're not very sure about what you have provided to them. And then sometimes it works out, sometimes they're probably not just very satisfied and they just reject it. I wish everybody all the best of luck. I know a lot of people right now that are applying for the digital nomad visas, and I'm really hoping and praying that they actually get it as soon as possible. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section. Let's have a discussion about these rejections, and please don't forget to also subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.